If your headlights on your 2017 CRV are staying on too long after you exit the vehicle, or if you want them to stay on after you exit the vehicle, I'm going to show you guys how to change that. So from your home screen, hit the home button and you'll go to this screen. You want to hit Settings, and then Vehicle, Setup, and then hit Headlight Auto Timer. And from here you can put it at 0 seconds, so the lights will not stay on at all, and then all the way up till 60 seconds, and then just select which one you want and hit back, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.